Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla driver side mirror. First, gather your tools such as a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror assembly. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel to expose the mirror's mounting bolts. Next, disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. You will then unscrew the 3 mounting nuts or bolts that secure the mirror. Once these are removed, gently pull the old mirror assembly away from the door frame. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, ensuring the mounting studs align correctly. Secure the new mirror with the 3 mounting nuts or bolts, tightening them firmly but without over-tightening. Reconnect the electrical connector to restore power mirror functions. Before reassembling, test the mirror's adjustments to confirm it works properly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely in place. Then, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Take a moment to test all mirror functions, including adjustment and any heating features if your mirror has them. Finally, verify that the mirror is securely mounted and provides clear, unobstructed visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.